I'm gonna go over today is this 500 watt brushless controller. This is a 36 volt / 48 volt, meaning both supplies will work for this controller. Now I want to go over the wiring diagram, that way you guys can better understand on how to connect this to the Bird 3 scooter. Now this does not apply to the Bird 2, just so you know, keep that in mind. The controller's a bit bigger, so it's not gonna fit in the housing. But I want to go ahead and get to these wires, that way you guys can, like I said, get an understanding of how this works. So these 3 wires right here are your motor phase wires. These go to your back wheel, and in some cases the hub motors in the front wheel, but the Bird 2s and 3s, hub motors in the back. Also, these 5 wires are your Hall effect sensor wires. These also go with this, so you know you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, what is it, 5, 6, you're gonna see 8 wires, and you're gonna connect each one color with color. One wire is gonna be left out at the end, and that's gonna be a white wire. That's gonna be on the bird end. You're not gonna use that. This one here is an anti-theft. It's not gonna be used unless you have the accessories to go with it. Red, green, and black. This is your throttle, thumb throttle, twist throttle, doesn't matter. It could be a foot throttle. This deal here is a meter line. Not sure what that's for, so I'm not gonna use it. Right here you have a purple wire. Now this wire wasn't even in the description. It doesn't say anything about this wire, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. Right here you have an orange and black. Now these plug into each other. This activates your cruise control. If you want your cruise control, connect these one to the other. If you don't like the cruise control feature, just leave it as it is. White and black, 2-pin connector. This is your low brake. I will show a video on how to, put this together, just in case anybody's trying to get that to function. This is your high brake. Works very similar to the low brake. Right here you have an anti-theft. This is an alarm. Right here you have 3 wires, blue, brown, and black. This goes to a 3-speed switch if you have one. Right here you have 2 wires. These are your intelligent wires, also known as self-study. After you assemble your scooter, and if you notice your wheel is spinning backwards, connect these wires and your wheel will spin on its own. After you see that it's spinning the correct way, unplug it and you're good to go. Right here you have a gray and black connector in case you have like a go-kart or something like that, maybe even a golf cart. This is for reverse, that way you won't just be stuck in drive. In case you get into a situation, you can reverse yourself out. Then at the end you have your common positive and negative. This goes to the battery itself. Also keep in mind, this little red wire is a switch. It's a key switch, so that's got to be connected into this in order for this controller to activate. So just keep that in mind. Any other questions, man, y'all drop them down in the box below and I will get back to you.